Tara is in marble brown R. Now marble brown is one of our classic beautiful colours, and the R stands for a root. So it means it's got a slight root. I mean, if you can see in the colour, the transition is lovely as well. It just looks really natural and beautifully done. Now Tara, for me, is a gorgeous piece. I'm just going to turn her on the head just so I can show you. So here she is on the head, and if I just turn her like this and like this, she's a really full bob, you know, really full with that beautiful beach wave. So when I take Tara off, immediately I feel that she's really light. So although there's a lot of hair and it feels like there's a lot of hair because of the texture of it, it's actually a very light style to wear. So if you like something light but full, I think Tara is a great choice. Coming into the back, we can see that curl pattern running through beautifully. And just to show you the cap construction of Tara, here we have a lace front and a lace part. Again, the lace front looks very natural when looking at the front because it looks like it's growing out of your head, and the same with the lace part. Keeps it very flat up top and looks just like it's growing out of your head. So this is a lace front lace part, and this is Tara in marble brown R.